Bigoli and salsa are a very tasty and simple traditional Veneto dish to make. Here is how to prepare them. Ingredients: 400 grams of bigoli, or another robust long pasta like bucatini, 200 grams of white onions, 50 grams of anchovies in oil, extra virgin olive oil, salt. Preparation: finely slice the onions and let them wilt in a pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over low heat until they become translucent and soft. This step is very important, and the onions should not color. Add the drained anchovies and crush with a fork so that they dissolve with the heat and join the onion in a smooth sauce. If necessary, add a little pasta cooking water to prevent the sauce from drying out too much. Meanwhile, cook the bigoli in plenty of salted water, following the cooking times indicated on the package to keep them al dente. Drain the pasta and transfer it to the pan with the sauce, mixing well so that the pasta is flavored. Serve the bigoli and salsa immediately while hot. Curiosity: the recipe for bigoli and salsa was originally a poor dish from the Venetian cuisine and was traditionally consumed on lean days, especially during Lent. Its simplicity and distinctive flavor have made this dish one of the classics of the Veneto region's cuisine.